Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate those stunning hug with celebrity and couple Polaroid photos that look incredibly realistic. So if you want to jump on the hottest AI photo trend that's sweeping in the social media, you can just follow these steps. First, you can just open Gemini. You can do it on mobile or on a browser like this in desktop. And then here, click on discrete image options, the Nano Banana option. And here's the prompt that you need to use. Sorry. Okay, this one's right here. Take a photo taken with a Polaroid camera, and the photo should look like an ordinary photograph, and the photo should have a slight blur and consistent light source like a flash from a dark room scattered throughout the photo. And then change the background behind those two people with white curtains, and with that boy hugging me. So in here you need to use hug as the keyword for the pose, and then you can just click on add files, upload files, and then upload a photo of you and also your favorite celebrity. Click on open, and then you can just tap on submit and let Nano Banana AI create the hugging photo or the Polaroid photo for you. So now the photo is done. So this is the photo that I used. This is the original photo of Zayn Malik and a girl, and this is how it will look like. So the face don't change, and you can just click on this drop down to download the image, and you can upload it to your social media. That's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.